What's up, everybody? We're opening just a bunch of cards. So
Where'd you get them from?
Blake has a Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars pack.
We got them for Christmas.
Blake's got 21, 22 Panini
Mosaic basketball.
cards. And then I got a ton, because Blake already opened his cards from Christmas, and I haven't, so. And then I got the League Battle deck, Origin Form, Halika V-Star. A Charizard Premium Collection. Pikachu VMAX Premium Collection. And Score 2022 NFL Trading Cards.
All right.
Oh, Panini.
Dad just went to the store and got a bunch of top loaders and sleeves for everybody's cards. So we should be all set. All right. So we can pull some good cards and have a place to store them. Blake, you going to start off? Gonna start with this one? I'm just going to start with this Brilliant Stars.
Sword and Shield.
All right. Here you go, Blake. First one up.
Show it to him.
Oh, he's figuring out which one he wants to start with. All right. He's going to the third. Hunting gloves.
Idea.
I'll look and see if I can
Let
find
him do
another chain.
Cafe Master.
Like accessories.
Ducks.
Can you get handcuffs instead of chains?
Duskull.
All right, you know
Handcuffs.
what?
And can you get a tape?
Primer.
They clash.
Shinnet.
What if it breaks? Get up. Get
Bidoff.
up here, boy.
No, they did break, I think. Don't they?
Electric Buzz.
Fish.
Then we need to get another
Changing. No.
day.
Cleansing.
Cleansing gloves.
You have to promise you put
Boss's
all your stuff in your
order.
bank balance, so you won't lose
Okay.
it.
Boss's
Now
order.
you get fit.
And energy.
50.
All right.
Nothing in that.
Now we're tossing.
Let's open up these basketball ones next.
Oh,
2021,
That's his only
2022.
other one, so yeah.
Yep. All right.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Could be a good one here. Let's check them out. 8 cards in each pack, and we got 1, 2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna open one at a time, and then I'll give them to you. Okay? I'm gonna open this one and hand it to you. Okay? All right. Here we go. First up,
Kyle
Kuzma.
Kyle Kuzma.
Okay. Like, you guys can't like grab them from each other.
Seth Curry.
Seth Curry.
Oh.
He'll put them down.
Put him in a pile.
What? Are you joking?
Justin Holiday.
What are you doing?
Ooh, John Morant. Can I see it? Thank you. John Morant, and this is like some kind of prism one. We'll have to check this one out. See how much that one's worth. Put that one on the side. Ooh, another good one on the side. What's that? Ooh, Shaquille O'Neal.
Break it anymore.
Jam Masters. I think those are expensive.
Just don't do it anymore.
I think those are expensive.
Leave the stuff on.
I think.
Don't pull at the arm anymore.
Let's be careful with this one too.
Okay? Here.
And then Keon
Go
Johnson.
play for a little bit. while I
Rookie.
look
Is that a rookie? All right, we'll put that in the rookie and keepers
for-
pack.
Then I'm not-
All right, next pack up. Just leave those ones alone, Blake.
I'm gonna find
Especially because I think that Jam Master one
that you gotta
might be worth a lot.
Never heard of it.
Right. I don't think we've ever gotten one. Okay. Next up, here you go, Blake. Try to just touch the sides, not the front of them, Blake.
Okay, go though, and I will look for something.
Who's that?
Kemba Walker.
While I'm doing this.
Rudy Gobert. Rudy Gobert. Up front.
Anthony Simmons.
Is here.
Who's that?
Donovan Mitchell.
That's some kind of insert, isn't it?
Ooh.
Thunder Lane. Rudy Gobert.
again.
And is that a rookie? Greg Brown the third.
Brown the third.
Is that a rookie?
Yeah.
All right. Good one. All right. 2 down. 4 to go. All right. Here you go, Blake. Kevin Porter Jr. Miles Bridges.
Keldon Johnson.
Marvin Bagley.
the third.
Another insert. Who's this one?
Harrison Barnes.
Harrison Barnes. Is that a rookie?
No.
This
Nope.
isn't the arm.
Isaiah Todd.
Isaiah Todd, rookie. All right. 3 down. 3 to go.
I love you so much.
All right. Here's your next pack. Pack number 4.
Jared Allen. Kawhi Leonard. Wait, is it? Yeah. Darius Bazley. Damian Lillard.
That
Another
insert? Yeah.
That's an insert.
That's an insert, dude.
Epic performers.
Nice.
Like, show it closer so everybody can see it.
James Boot Knight. Is that a rookie?
Yep.
And who's the last one? Zach LaVine. Oh, that's another insert with the red, white, and blue stars and stripes.
I think I would either a Steph Curry or John Morant.
Here's your next pack.
His last pack or one more?
No, one more.
Al
Horford.
Dwight Howard. Tim Hardaway Jr. Colin Sexton. Jalen Green, rookie.
Ooh, good one, Blake. Good one.
And someone,
Brandon.
Brandon Boston Jr., rookie.
Rookie. Okay, and your last pack. Let's hope there's some good ones in there. James Harden. You know who that was, Blake? Yeah, he's kind of got the beard. They call him the beard. Patrick Williams.
Montez Harrell.
Montez Harrell. Who's this guy? Dame Lillard.
Lillard.
Elevate. Insert. Insert.
Nope.
Isaiah
Isaiah
Jackson,
Jackson.
rookie. And Scotty Barnes, rookie. That's a good one. Scotty Barnes is a good player. All right, so these are your good ones. And those are the ones you
Those
can...
you can put away right now.
Yep. You want a box for those, Blake, or... Okay. All right.
Which one should I start with?
Clean this up a little bit.
I'm gonna start with the...
Starting with Pokemon.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm saving it for football. Wait, should
Need some
I
help?
say- Yeah. It's the Origin Origin Form Palka V-Star.
League Battle Pack. Whatever that
Oh,
means.
that's cool.
Show them those.
What'd it come with? Oh, that's cool.
Those are neat.
Oh, it's like fire or something.
Yeah.
Oh, there's dice for the actual
Alright.
game.
Here's your cards. Dad's on a video. Here they go. Here's Logan's Pokemon cards.
Trekking shoes.
Later. No, I'm not looking while you're here because things are too
Bar-
expensive.
Bib Barrel.
Bibarel.
I need to find the stuff and you're not
Melanie.
No, no.
Energy.
No,
Boss's Orders.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will.
I won't talk about
Battle VIP Pass. Choice Belt.
I'm trying to find your chain and you're not letting me.
Irida.
Okay, then go.
Bidoof.
I'm not gonna look till you go play.
Energy. Eco Horn.
Get your stuff.
Battle VIP Pass. Energy. Energy Search.
I'm not gonna find it.
Lake Urqudy. Heavy Ball. Boss's Orders. Trekking Shoes. Energy. Ultra Ball. Switch. Clara.
That's huge.
Hissing Walsicon. Walsicon. Choice Belt.
Yeah, you can put him in the big bag.
Bid Off.
You're out of control.
Energy. Hydra. Melanie.
Great, I'll do it in a minute. Can you go?
Ultra Ball. Battle VIP Pass. Vibro.
Energy.
Energy.
Maybe we don't have to show all the energy ones.
Yeah. Onyx. Switch. Melanie. Ultra Ball. Manphy. Trekking Shoes. Energy. Hydra. Hussein Balkan. Lake Urqudy. Energy Search. Battle VIP Pass. Trekking Shoes. Energy. Hit Hussein Heavy Ball. Boss's Orders. Choice Belt. Ultra Ball. Bidrow. Energy. Hydra. And Bid Off.
And then you
And
got
then
these special
now
cards.
the special cards. Origin Form Palka V-Star. Same card. Radiant Greninja. Origin Form Palka V. Same card. And same card. Can I get a box for that?
Yep, we'll do that after. Alrighty. What's up next?
Pikachu.
Pikachu?
Pikachu VMAX Premium Collection.
Can I open it for you?
Yeah.
Alright. right, looks like there's how many packs in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 packs, and it also comes with these special cards.
Yep, we'll wait
Here's
for
this one. Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get those out for you.
Helipotile, Lulu, Shanks, Pancham, Snoret, Dragon, Draldron. Dad, I gotta.
Oh, nice, a V. It's a 220.
Energy, UX, Friends and Husu, Shaman, and the code.
Okay. You don't have to show them the code.
Yeah, it's for the game, if you play the game. Lost Vacuum, Great Ball, Swirler, Odish, Seal, Krikta, Aron, Railu, Luxio, Groudon V,
V-Star.
and a V-Star card.
Next one.
Pawneed, Kriktot, Shinx, Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Orcreo. That's a good one.
Nice.
Bia. I don't know if that's a good one.
Put it in the good pile. No. Yeah, that's the one that Blake got yesterday too.
Energy,
Wait!
All right.
Rare Candy, Bisharp, Moontone. Larion, Franzen, Sinnoh, Bloom, Lilu, Young Goose, Chirby, Starly, Switch, Zardu, Yamiki, Energy. Rare Candy,
Don't show that to Cole.
Arion, Friends and Sinnoh, Yama, Pondry, Bidroff, Potion, Galarian, Mr. Mime, Snorunt, Pangirl, V-Star, Lost Vacuum, Electric, Ultra Ball, Amogla, Yama, Pondry, Kriktot, Chatot, Energy, Electric,
Get back in the chair
huh?
so they can see you.
Chatot, and Greedent V. Pokemon Catcher, Bisharp, Carvin, Execute, Rockruff, Portland, Bluefish, Chatot, Dancy, Zappin, Energy.
All right. Are you gonna show them the other ones you got?
Yep. The big Pikachu VMAX. Pikachu V. Pikachu VMAX.
Nice. Those on top. That. All right. What's up next?
And it came with a little like thing to put on your shoe, Crocs or something. I don't know what it really is.
Okay.
And the Charizard Premium Collection.
That's next.
Yep. And then we got the football pack after. Comes with Charizard sleeves, whatever that is.
It's like a card shower, like to put your card in or something. I don't know.
And whatever that is.
Probably that goes, and the card goes in there, and then this goes in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, probably. Sleeves.
Yeah, I'll have that. I'll do that. There you go.
Well, I guess we're starting off with a gold card.
Whoa. Good one.
That one's actually real. Because
Yeah.
I have some gold cards that my friend traded me and they're fake. That's actually real.
Some friend.
Because everyone says the gold cards with the blue background are actually real. The ones with the gold background are fake. So that's cool.
Mom,
Wow.
did you find
Ornament?
it?
EX, that might be worth a lot.
Yeah, probably. Basic Energy. Tactile. Magchart. Magmite. Energy Switch. Cacturn. Magoza. Driblim. And Primeape. That gold card's cool.
Very cool. There's your next pack.
I can't believe that was in the back. Usually that's like in the last, so that's why I shuffle it to wait for the last card.
And it was the first one?
Yeah. Oinklong. Again, it's the second card this time.
What's that?
Iron Treads EX. Never pulled that one before.
Nice. Iron Tread ZX.
Basic Energy, Swampa, Medite. I've never had 2 pulls in a pack, so if I get 2 pulls, that'd be cool. Energy Search, Grimer, Touchski, Nest Ball, Parastry, Shroomish,
There you go.
And it comes with.
Imagine it's in the front again. Dude Sparse. Oh my god. Quavel EX.
320. 320.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I've got EXs in 3 packs in a row. Basic Energy. Lavatar. And this is in the middle somehow. Dino. Sandgas. Tarantula. Azurmi. Fast Queen. Isku.
You just get belt.
Handmouth.
The table and chairs. Why don't you just get a table and a ladder?
Alright, I'm gonna only do 1 this time. See what happens. Basic Energy. Paladin Wooper.
Please watch out.
Bale Toy.
Chocolate on my white sweatshirt.
Crava.
This guy comes with me.
Black Conch.
I need a table and chairs.
Digsby. Camrot.
Table, chair, and stuff.
Paladin Closed. Capskin. Meanwhile. And Claydol. That's kind of
And there's this one.
1. Yeah, I'm gonna try 1 again.
Okay.
Energy. Slack. This is in the middle again somehow. Paladin Wooper. Pikachu. Poofin. Fletchinder.
Get it if you're not happy with it. That's why I'm looking. So I'm not
Toxwood.
I'm not done looking. So
Ordroom.
Why? I don't know what. I can't read.
Dendra. Superior Andre Rachel. And Gamora. Like so. Stop. One, 2, 3, 4. You see that black card in here? Tailbulb. Oh my god. Palfin. Right in the beginning.
Nice one.
That's-
Nice one. That's a 150.
Yeah, but it's still pretty good.
Yeah.
Darkria. Basic Energy. Finzen. Herder. Limit. Rockruff. Dragoneer. Arledge. And Ortega.
And to top it off,
We got, it goes like the youngest to oldest. Charmander. Charmeleon. And of course, Charizard. But Charizard EX. 330. So that's it for the Pokemon. Dad, I got sleeves right here. So.
Oh, for the Charizards? That's
Yeah.
sweet. We'll put those in after.
Oh, that's so cute.
The razor.
All right. Here we go.
Football. How many packs are there? 6. I mean, 6 cards in each, or what?
132 cards total.
132 cards total.
Yep.
So there's how many packs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
132 divided by 6. So 32 divided by 6 is what? Whatever. 22 cards per pack. I'm just guessing. Oh, I'm right. Does it? $22 cards per pack is insane though. Kyle Pitts, A-Rod, Marquez Callaway. Is he retired?
I don't know.
Jonathan Taylor, Trayvon Morrig, O'Dea. Well, I have him as a numbered card. Zach Ertz, Jay Jettas, Trayvon Diggs, Damian Harris, Dallas Goddard. No, it's not. Damian Harris. Jordan Davis, rookie. David Abdro, rookie. Isaiah Likely, rookie. Daxton Hill, rookie. Derek Stingley Jr., rookie. Shahan Dotson, rookie. Isaiah Spiller, rookie. Jerry Rice.
Hall of Fame card.
I have a billion of those. Joe Mixon, celebration. Huddle Up Vikings. Wait, is that upside down? And Kenny Pickett, rookie.
Rookies go here, right?
No, rookie's here.
Oh. So you're not putting the celebration in that pile?
No, or the Huddle Up.
Okay.
Those aren't really anything.
There you go.
Leonard Fournette. Billy Sims. Derek Brown. T.Y. Hilton. Jack Youngblood. Wait, Javarius Ward played for the Chiefs?
I guess so.
Javarius Ward.
Or maybe it's an error code, but I think he did.
He played for the 49ers. Charlie Joyner. Carson Palmer. David Njoku. Chase Claypool. Jordan Poyer. Dalton Schultz. Kenneth Walker,
Rookie.
the third, rookie. Alec Pierce, rookie. Kennedy Brooks, rookie. Brian Robinson Jr., rookie. Velus Jones Jr., rookie.
I can't even find them.
Brandon Smith, rookie.
Table, chair,
Kayvon Thibodeau, rookie.
dog food, and
Josh Allen, Sully.
for WWE.
We go to search.
Sack Attack, Micah Parsons.
You're not putting that in there?
I don't know. Should I?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's
Ravens,
Micah's.
Huddle Up.
Micah Parsons, dude.
Next pack. Tristan Wirfs. Miles Jack. Bradley Chubb. Russell Gage. I really want a downtown card. And Donald. Travis Kelsey.
I think those are in paninis, not scores.
Oh. DK. Carl Nassib.
Or mosaic, I mean.
Huh?
I think they're in mosaics, not the scores.
Yeah, maybe. Janu Smith. Eli Manning. Quinnen Williams. Matt Corral, rookie.
See, all the props are just a
I thought
ladder,
your rookie
chair,
score.
Ferdinand, oh yeah.
table, there's no hand.
Ferdinand Mathis,
I know, I
rookie.
don't know what to tell you.
Wandale Robinson, rookie. Abram Smith, rookie. James Cook, rookie. Sky Moore, rookie. Another Kenny Pickett, rookie. Pierre Strong Jr., rookie. Patriots huddle up.
Can't get out of there.
Jalen Waddle Sally.
I'm searching, Cole, stop.
Numbered.
Like,
What is
that's
it?
what I'm doing.
Janu
You not
Smith,
see me doing that?
556 out of 599.
Yes,
Nice.
that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm telling you, I can't find any.
All right, here's your next one. See, the bottom cards are the good ones, so you got to make sure that you're handling them good on the bottom, because if you bend those ones are the ones worth all the money. So be very careful with the ones in the back.
Robert Tonyan. Luke Clucci. Carson Wentz. Jeffrey Simmons. Patrick Queen. D Hop. James Lofton. Long time ago. Eric Dickerson. Antonio Gibson. Najee Harris. Thurman Thomas.
Nice. Terminator.
Micah.
Okay, let me read this one. This says each briefcase.
Rashid Rice White.
Rookie.
Rookie. Charleston Rambo. Rookie. Kyler Gordon. Rookie.
I'm looking.
Aiden Hutchinson. Rookie.
Yeah, it doesn't have anything in it.
Jaquan Brisker. Rookie.
Sticker of the
Davis Mills. Gold. Brett Favre. First ballot. Kyrene Williams.
Kyron
Rookie.
Williams.
Sack Attack Bruce Smith. And Javonte Williams Celebration.
Next one.
That's what I did. WWF crap handcuffs. Okay, WWE
Barry Sanders.
handcuffs. Miniature.
Christian McCaffrey. Earl Campbell.
What's that one say?
Earl
Oh.
Campbell.
I thought it had something on the side.
Chris Godwin. Lamar. Keelan Winslow. Chad Johnson. Cam Akers. Terry Scary. Eric Metcalf. Is he
He's old.
related to DK?
I don't think so.
Gradusi. Dak.
Dak. My man.
DeMarvin Leo, rookie. George Karlafs, rookie. Is he a lineman or something? D.
I will do it.
Tyler Lindblom, rookie. Wait, he's young. Traylon Burks, rookie. Pierre Strong Jr., rookie. James Conner, gold. Kenny Pickett, rookie.
Bobby Lasher.
Derek Stingley Jr., LSU card, rookie. Commanders, huddle up. And Kyler Murray celebration.
All right, last one.
It hurts.
It's a lot of work opening all these cards you got
Josh
for Christmas.
Allen. Melvin Gordon III. Deion Jones. Wait, yeah. Creed Humphrey. Joe Montana. Max Crosby. J.K. Dobbins. Jacoby Myers. Michael Strahan. Michael Carter. Taylor Heineke. Cade Otton, rookie. Trent McDuffie, rookie.
I'm putting the rookies in the wrong pile.
Oh.
I got 'em.
Khalil Shaker, rookie. Christian Harris, rookie. Derek Deese Jr., rookie. Janu Smith, rookie.
And that's a rookie?
Yeah. Oh, wait, no.
It's just gold.
Gold. Sack attack, Nick Bosa.
Ooh, your favorite player.
Jameson Williams, rookie. Peyton Manning, first ballot. And Mac Jones celebration.
All right, we just got 50 more packs to do.
What?
Just kidding. That was all of it. That was everything, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll tell you in our next video how much the gold Pokemon card is worth.
And a couple other ones too, right?
Yeah.
Blake had a good pull in his basketball one, right?
Which one?
Can't remember. Thought it was good.
Oh yeah, that it was like, it's kind of like a downtown card, but not
Yeah.
basketball version.
John Morant.
No, it wasn't Ja. Yeah, it was Shaq.
Shaq.
It was Shaq.
There's a couple Dame Lillards in here. Yeah, the Jam Masters.
Jam Masters.
And then also this like silver
Ja.
John. All right. See you, everybody. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Blake.
Thanks for watching.